Hey, welcome to Milk Masters on the Move. I'm Michelle.
And I'm Chef Dwight.
Today, we're not in a fancy, fully stocked kitchen. We're on a campsite.
Michelle, careful.
We packed the RV with some cooking gear and some delicious local ingredients. And we're gonna show you how dairy makes it easy to cook something special when you're outside enjoying nature.
We're gonna start with an energizing breakfast, an easy lunch, and a hearty dinner. And I'm pretty hungry, so I think we should get cooking.
I'm starving. Let's go.
All right, Michelle, let's get it going.
Yeah, look at this setup.
Not bad, not bad.
Did you get the grocery list?
I did. Actually, I got everything.
Amazing. What's this for?
Blueberries, and then there's a bit of honey, right?
I said baked beans and honeydew.
You're kidding me. Can
It's
you
okay.
can you make it work?
I can. It's all good. We got some delicious dairy, and I'm gonna pivot.
Okay, awesome. I'm gonna set everything up. I'm really sorry, Chef.
Seeing that I don't have any of the ingredients that I initially planned for, I think I'm gonna try and make a yogurt pancake with some fresh local Ontario yogurt, maybe some blueberries and honey on top. A yogurt parfait. And then as a drink, a beautiful iced chai tea latte with fresh milk. I'm just gonna start by mixing in the dry ingredients. Flour, just all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. And I'm just gonna whisk that all up. I'm gonna grab some eggs, Ontario yogurt. I'm just gonna whisk the yogurt and the eggs together. And now we're just gonna slowly incorporate our dry ingredients into our yogurt and egg mixture. Thank goodness for this Ontario yogurt because it is gonna make our pancakes so thick and delicious. I love a fluffy pancake, but I also love that it adds a hit of protein because we're gonna need some energy today. I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk. So now that we have our pancake batter made with our fresh Ontario yogurt, we're just gonna cook up our pancakes on the griddle.
I'm getting things set up.
You better be. And I'm just gonna make my first pancake. A lot of people will say the first pancake is always a fail, but I'm gonna prove you wrong. Hey Dwight, how's it going over there?
Not bad, not bad. I'm almost done. Oh, crispy edges only.
Yeah.
And that butter too? Oh yeah.
Yeah, doesn't it smell so good?
It smells delicious.
Yeah.
Don't be intimidated by this recipe.
No. You can do it in any kitchen as long as you have fresh dairy.
There we go.
I think we're ready to flip.
We're flipping. Oh my gosh, these look so good.
Okay, first one's up. Okay, but wait, I wanna make a whole plate for you. All right, I'm gonna plate up these pancakes. Do you think you could give me a hand with the chai latte?
Of course.
Amazing.
Let's do it.
Pancakes are looking good. I'm gonna start making the parfait. This might not be a traditional way of making a parfait, but I like to put the granola and the fruit on the bottom and the yogurt on top. Okay, check this out. Okay, granola, blueberries, and then I'm just gonna load it with this local yogurt. You can eat it as a main, you can eat it as a side. You decide.
Oh,
What I like to do is just drizzle some beautiful honey on top.
it just looks good.
Right? Okay, so we got our pancakes done. I've been working hard all morning. We've got our parfaits done. What are you doing over there?
Water's boiling, let's go.
Okay, nice. So chai tea bags in the kettle.
Let's do that.
We're gonna steep them. Okay, so we're gonna put our chai lattes in here.
Yes, I'll go get ice.
Yeah, amazing.
Awesome.
What are pancakes without some toppings? I'm actually gonna put another dollop of yogurt on the pancakes. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some blueberries. Thanks to Dwight.
This enough?
No,
More?
yeah,
Okay.
fill it right up. Let's finish up this chai latte and let's eat. I'm just gonna top them off with some fresh milk.
Oh, wow.
Beauty, right? I'm legitimately excited to eat.
Let's do it. This looks fantastic, Michelle. Thank you so much.
We got our yogurt pancakes, blueberries, and honey. We got our creamy yogurt parfait and a beautiful iced chai latte.
All right. I'm gonna start with the pancakes.
Yeah, you go. You go, you do you. Look at that bite.
Gotta get a little bit of that yogurt
Yeah.
and honey in there. Amazing. This is what I want on my pancakes from now on.
Think about how versatile the yogurt is here. We put it in the pancakes. We put it on the pancakes. We put it in the yogurt parfait. Next, we're gonna make a yogurt chai latte.
I had no idea that yogurt was that good on pancakes, but it's a game changer.
It adds that kind of like tang.
Absolutely. Give this chai latte a try as well.
Go for it.
That milk, the natural flavors from the tea,
Delicious.
I really like it. I haven't even tried the parfait yet.
This parfait would have been better with baked beans and honeydew.
But it looks like you took care of it quite nicely.
No, honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better situation.
Despite an ingredient mix-up, we cooked a perfect meal for our day at the campsite. Make sure to tune in next episode to see us make a quick, easy campsite lunch.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And for this recipe and more, head to milk.org. See you on the next one.
Next season on Milk Masters, Milk Train.